I truly believe that every single person needs a 5-year diary. Let me explain. I started keeping a 5-year diary a couple of years ago, and it quickly became one of my favorite things. I genuinely can't imagine my life without it now. The concept is simple. Every day you answer one question or write a short note, and on a single page you can instantly see what you wrote on the exact same day 1 year ago, 2 years ago, and all the way up to 5 years. So you open a page, and there it is: 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, your whole life on one spread. It takes just 1-2 minutes a day, no complicated ritual, just sit down and write a couple of lines. You can actually see your progress, especially in moments when life feels stuck. You open a diary and realize, oh, year ago I was stressed about that thing, and now I'm completely different person. You notice what changed and what doesn't. Sometimes we don't see that we are going in circles in certain areas. The diary shows it honestly and gives you a chance to change it. My tips for keeping one. First, it doesn't have to be 5 years. It can be 3 years, 10 years, whatever works for you. The principle is what matters. Where to get one? You can buy one online or make your own from a regular notebook. Just divide each page into sections for each year. You can also create a digital version. You can keep it in Notion. Create a page called Diary. Inside months, days from 1 to 31. And inside each day, divide it by years. If you go paper, make it cozy. Stickers, doodles, make it feel like yours. And most importantly, if the question in your diary feels boring, just skip it. Make up your own or simply write about your day, how you feel, what's on your mind. It's your diary and it should be about you. That's it for today. Hope you like the idea. See you.